Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is losing 20,000 right now, which is dangerous. If it does break here, we can go back to 17,000, have a double bottom. MCRT has decoupled from Bitcoin. This is the first time that I've been waking up, seeing Bitcoin dropping and actually being excited because MCRT decoupled. MCRT is the only cryptocurrency going up while Bitcoin is dropping, which is incredible. Big congratulations to all of you, anyone who was part of MCRT in the last month. You're up 1,000%, more than 10 times your money in the last 30 days, more than 12 times in the last 2 months, which is incredible. Meaning that's the equivalent of Bitcoin going to 220,000 or Ethereum going to 22,000. If you put $1,000 1 month ago, when I said pay attention to MCRT, do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but pay attention, your 1,000 is now more than 12,000. If you put in $10,000, you have 120,000. If you put in 1 million, 12 million. So big congratulations to all of you. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical Bitcoin, and we are currently losing the 20K. It's, look at it, sitting right on it, 19,998, everyone. Incredible. That trade that I said about yesterday on the weekly, extremely oversold. On the daily, extremely oversold. On the 4-hourly, extremely oversold. Very rarely is Bitcoin this oversold across the board. On the monthly, extremely oversold. And again, everyone wants to be buying Bitcoin when it's up here at the 69,000. Everyone's like, okay, now it's at 69,000, all in, go, go, go. When the stochastic is extremely overbought, they want to be buying. But when the stochastic on the monthly, and this is on the monthly timeframes, everyone, is extremely oversold, when Bitcoin is 20K down here below the dotted lines, that's when they want to be selling. No, other way around. We're back above 20,000. Big congratulations, everyone. Bitcoin just hit $20,000 1 month ago. I mean, a few years ago, that would be incredible. Bitcoin just hit 20,000. Now it's hitting 20,000. It's the time to be buying, in my opinion, that it's dropped from 69,000. Bitcoin is back above 20,000 right now. Big congratulations, whoever's been buying Bitcoin. But again, the movement that happened on MCRT is the equivalent of Bitcoin going to the movement that's been happening on MCRT is the last month. Big MCRT is up 11% today, up 12.8% against Bitcoin, up 13% against Ethereum. The last month's movement is the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $220,000. Or the equivalent of Ethereum going to $20,000. So big congratulations. It's gone up more than 10 times in the last month, which is incredible. In my opinion, for Bitcoin, it's time to be buying. Down here, we've got a strong support here. Let's at the 20K, we've got a very strong support here. Let's see if it can hold this 20K. If it breaks it, most likely we come down to 18,600. I would be going long on Bitcoin here, trying to catch this close to this bottom. Stop loss below 18,400 and take profit all the way at the top. So that will risk $1,539 to make $61,000, which is incredible risk to reward. 39 times risk to reward ratio, which is beautiful. Bitcoin is back above 20,000. Let's see if it can hold here. Not enough buying volume, in my opinion. There's not enough buying volume coming in to hold it, so it most likely will be dropping, but it is oversold on a lot of time frames. The problem is, if you try to wait, maybe it drops, maybe it goes down to 18,000. Worst case, I think 15,000 is possible, but then you might miss the opportunity to buy a generational bottom on Bitcoin. We have strong supports all around here, so I would be going long here at this 20,000 on Bitcoin. 20,000 is just a round number where people will be like, okay, Bitcoin's cheap and I'll buy it. And again, let's look at the overall market. MCRT leading the entire market. While the entire market is red, MCRT is in the green. Everything else is red in the market. Everything, Tesla, Near, Ethereum Classic, CRV, Uniswap, BNB, everything is red except MCRT. MCRT actually up, which is incredible. MCRT is holding on and moving up during this Bitcoin bear market, which is incredible. On this Bitcoin drop, MCRT is heading up, looks extremely bullish. I'm the founder of this project, keep attention. 4-hour looks extremely bullish. On the hourly, it looks extremely bullish, which is incredible. And keep in mind that MCRT, when we first launched, back before the bear market started, we didn't have a game or anything. We had just launched the token and we went all the way up to 10 cents. Now we're currently sitting at 1.6 cents. Now we have the game, the community is growing like crazy. Everyone's so excited. MCRT is up massively today, up 9.76 and 11.5 against Bitcoin, 12% against Ethereum. It's ranked 529. It's on Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Phantom, Certic, audited. Its current market cap is 26 million, just under 26 million. Volume 1.3 million. And the chart today, while Bitcoin has been dropping, is incredible. This is the daily chart. This is the weekly chart. This is the monthly chart. MCRT having a massive recovery, up 11 times this month, which is amazing. And let's compare this. So this is the market cap of MCRT, 25 million. To put that in perspective, this is the market cap of Bitcoin, 382 billion. This is the market cap of Ethereum. Ethereum, which has also dropped massively if you look at it on the charts compared to MCRT going up. This is Ethereum in the last month. Ethereum market cap 181 billion. The top play to earn game, which is a joke compared to what we're building with MCRT. This is Axie Infinity, $1.1 billion market cap, and Axie Infinity in the last month also having big drops in the last week. So comparing that to MCRT, we still have a long way to go. 1.1 billion is the top play to earn game, and Axie Infinity, I'll show you Axie Infinity. So this is Magicraft, so I'm going to show you the difference. This is MCRT. So this is Magicraft, the play to earn game. This is on PC and mobile. This is PC. This is mobile. So this is the team playing. And this is Axie Infinity. I just want to put it in perspective. Axie Infinity is $1.1 billion market cap. This is Axie Infinity. This is the $1.1 billion market cap, where MCRT is 24 million. This is Axie Infinity. They don't have really gameplay, but this is the gameplay of Axie Infinity. People, grown adults playing little Pikachu, Pokemon, blah, blah, blah. This is Magicraft. That's why I'm saying pay attention for the last month, everyone. If you've been paying attention 11 times, but we are just getting started. We have amazing, exciting announcements. And again, why do I keep saying this? Why do I keep talking about Magicraft? Magicraft moved in the last month, MCRT, the equivalent of Bitcoin going to $220,000, which will take years. It moved the equivalent of Ethereum going to $22,000, which will take years. MCRT did it in the last month, and we're still a $25 million market cap. To catch up to Axie Infinity, that's 75 times from where we are. $1,000 can become $75,000. 1 million can be 75 million. Pay attention. Do your own due diligence. Pay attention to MCRT. You can get it on PancakeSwap. MCRT is available on PancakeSwap right now, and if you followed my videos 1 month ago, 1,000 USDT got you around 580,000 MCRT. Now 1,000 USDT gives you 59,000 MCRT. You can do that on PancakeSwap. It's also on Bitmart, Mexi, a few different exchanges. There's also staking. App.magicraft.io, more than, let's see, 439 million MCRT is currently staked, which is incredible. That's almost 35% of the entire circulating supply is currently staked inside the smart contract, which means less selling pressure, which is incredible. And a lot of different things is happening for Magicraft right now. I'll show you. Magicraft, it's the new esport PvP play to earn game. Entire market red, but MCRT green. 11% versus Bitcoin, 13% against Ethereum. You're either going to need to play in the beta. The closed beta will be soon. You're going to either need 1 million MCRT, which is currently around $17,000 now, or you need one Genesis NFT. There's around 10,000 NFTs, more than 4,000. I think 50% of them have already been sold. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. If Bitcoin doesn't hold here, it can be dropping to 17K. But again, the time to be selling Bitcoin was at 69,000 when I called the day of the top on November 11th. That was the time to be selling Bitcoin. And if you're like, oh no one called the day of the top, I'll show you. I was actually the only one in the world that called the day of the top on November 11th here, calling the exact day of the top of Bitcoin on the 10th of November. I don't know if you can hear it, but that was calling the exact day of the top. And now is the time, in my opinion, to be buying. Do your own due diligence. Join us on Telegram. There is now inside the Magicraft community, more than inside Crypto Guru community, but a Magicraft community, nearly 45,000 members. Everyone's celebrating MCRT holding up against Bitcoin. Look at this in the last, this is today. I think up the last 30 days, Bitcoin down 14%, MCRT up 893%. Pay attention again to MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold this 20K. Big congratulations to anyone holding MCRT. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.